So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to export data from Quizlet. It's quite simple. It exports it into a CSV file, which is comma separated values, and it will open up in Excel. And then you can either create your test in Excel and then copy that data over into Edline if you want to use Edline, or you can use it for another, as a word bank or term bank definitions for anything you choose. But here's how you would export it. So first you're going to, this is my dashboard, so you can choose ones that you've already selected, or you can find something new. And then we're going to go to, we'll choose this one. And here's your set of flashcards. You can click on export. And now this one, because it has images, it's going to export the web address of each of those images, which when you paste it into an Excel document or a Word document or a Google Doc or any kind of that, those links will become active. For Edline, those links you would have to manually make active, or find the image and you would have to re-add the image to Edline, or add the image to Edline. So just a warning on this type of thing. But you have all the links. So you want to copy and paste the text, so you just click the select all right here. Selects it all, and then you want to hit Control C for copy. Then you take it and you can either open it up in Excel or Word. I'm going to open it up in Excel. And then you can just hit Control V. There you go. It's all sorted. And if you're familiar with how to change columns in Excel, you can get all your names. This will take you there if you want to make it a hyperlink. Make it a hyperlink. It'll copy to wherever you need to copy. The other option is to bring it into Word. Here's what it will look like in Word. You hit Enter after each of the links. It'll make them a justifiable link, and then you can click on it. And the link comes up. And there's your picture. Then you would have to copy and paste that, of course, into, or actually I would save the picture to your local drive, to your My Pictures. If it's for a particular test, maybe in a folder that's labeled for that test, and then you can copy it into Edline, and you can create a test that way. So that's what it looks like with that type of data. If you choose another type, such as, let's see, computer terms. This is one I created, but it looks pretty much the same. Do export, and you want to select all, Control copy, Control C for copy, and once again you can bring it into Word, or you can bring it right into the Notepad, paste it in there, and create your test in here for Edline. So according to the format for Edline, you could say 1, And what I'm doing here is I'm setting it up so that when I bring it into Edline, all I have to do is create the three. This is going to be a multiple choice test. I can create the other three choices they'll have, which will be, I'm only going to limit. I'm going to limit to 4. This way they'll know which ones are going to be the right answers. So there's some time involved, but it shouldn't be too bad. It took me all of 30 seconds to do all of this. Back to B. Then we'll highlight that. We'll copy. Minimize that window. Go to Edline. Sign in. And I've been using my father's account because mine don't have any classes in it. We'll go to his intro class again. Do assignments. Add quiz. Add. And then load quiz. Import. Control V. Validate. So. Done. And oddly enough, it did not put those in. Interesting.